Okay, first we remove this carrier. Okay, just take it off. Take it off. Take it off. Okay. Take this off and then come to here. And then at the end, you lose this, maybe a few rounds, 4 or 5 rounds, and then you pull it off. Okay. When you pull it off, the track is like this. Now this one, you take this off. Take this off. You take this off and become this, right? So this one is off, and you lose the 2 screws, but do not drop this. Do not drop this. Okay, leave the 2 screws to the end, but do not drop this. And then you slide this to the track. Slide this to the track. Okay, and then you tighten the screw. Then you tighten the screw. Okay, and then you put back this. We put the bell inside, and then you put it back the way it was, just like this. Just like this. Okay. Now, when you got this one done, so it's very important. Pull this together, and then this one you put it in. At the same time, you one hand pull here, one hand pull here. Okay. So when you close it up, you first insert this space, E-space. It's very important now. You go back here. You want to pull a little bit here because you want the belt to be straightened. Sometimes the belt is exactly the length, then will be no problem. But sometimes there may be a little loose. So you pull a little bit. You see it was moving a little bit. If you do not pull really tight, all right, you don't want to be too tight. You don't want that. You want just a little bit. Make sure the belt is tight, is straight. Make sure the belt is straight, okay? And then you lock it, okay? Make sure it's straight and nice, and you lock it. Lock it real tight. Lock it real tight. Now, it's very important. You want to test this carrier. Make sure it goes. The 10-foot track has no joint. That's no problem. But the long track, you want to make sure this carrier can go through no problem. See, you don't want to get stuck. How you test this one is you pull up and switch it. Pull up and switch it, and then make sure it goes through. Make sure it goes through. And try the other way. You switch it and slide it back and forth. The same thing here. You push it here and make sure it goes through. You push here and you have to test all 4 angles. Push, 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 and slide it. Make sure it goes through. In case, sometimes, if you have this uneven, you may want to push a little bit. You can just push a little bit and make sure the edge are smooth. And this thing can go through perfectly. Now, once you make sure this is good, we will suggest, we don't want that to be here. Okay, we move it a little bit away. We want to suggest to put a rod, to put up a piece of wood here. What we want to do is you put a bracket here and put another bracket here. Okay, you want to get into here and then put a piece of wood. Put a piece of wood. Okay, and then you want to fix it, right? And then you put the screws, you tighten it. All right, put the screws. This way you secure the joint, because you're gonna move up, you're gonna handle it. You don't want it to a little bit uneven. There will be a problem. So we want to make sure with a piece of wood, fix it here. All right. You need help. Do not do it for by yourself. You need someone help you. Make sure the joint is good, and then you fix it. All right. Forget about this first. You don't want to put it here first. You want to fix the joint first. Fix the joint. Make sure the joint is good. All right. And then you put this on the track. Very important. pull tight, pull strict the belt, tighten it, fix the joint, make sure the joint's good, test it, make sure the joint's good, fix the joint, and then you put this on.